Hi friends, today we discuss about some important terms used in bond valuation, that is the bond terminologies. First of all, what is the meaning of bond? Bond is also known as fixed income securities or debt instrument. That fixed income securities issued by the government or public sector undertaking for raising long-term funds is known as bond. That is the simple meaning of bond. Then we discussed about some important terminologies used in the bond valuation. First we discussed about who is a bond holder. A bond investor is known as bond holder. That means a person who invests in bond or debenture is known as bond holder. Then what is a coupon rate? Coupon rate reflects the rate of interest that is given by the issuer, that means the company or government, to the bond holder. The interest is calculated on the basis of face value. Then what is the face value of the bond? It is also known as par value. That means the amount of money that will be returned to the bond holder at the maturity date. The face value of the bond is the value written on the face of the bond certificate. That value is known as face value. Then we discussed about what is the maturity of the bond. A bond or debenture is issued for a specified period of time. That means the maturity. It indicates the holding period of the bond. Then what is the issue price of the bond? The price at which the bond is issued is called as issue price. It may be issued at par, discount or premium. That depends upon the current market interest rate. What is the market value of the bond? A bond or debenture may be traded in the capital market or stock exchange. That price is known as market price or market value of the bond. Then we discussed about the fair value or intrinsic value of the bond. The exact price of the bond is known as fair value or intrinsic value of the bond. That is the exact value of the bond. What is a callable bond? Callable bond means the issuer has right to redeem the bond before the maturity date. The issuer has an option of calling the bond before the maturity date. These categories of bond is known as callable bond. Bond duration. Bond duration measures the sensitivity of the bond price, that measure the volatility of the bond price in relation to the interest rate. It is not an indicator of the length of time until maturity. That is a bond duration. These are the important terms used in bond valuation. Thank you.